Hai, balik lagi di channel Rahma. Sebelum nonton videonya, jangan lupa di subscribe. Yuk di subscribe. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai teman-teman semua, balik lagi di channel Rahma. Kali ini Dek Rahma mau wisata ke air terjun Grenjengan Sewu. Yuk langsung simak videonya.
Cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, set myself, but this is the last time.
Sebelum kita menuju ke wisata Grenjengan Sewu, kita melewati kawasan persawahan dan perbukitan yang pastinya pemandangannya indah banget. Udaranya sejuk sekali. Pokoknya masih asri teman-teman.
To the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, set myself.
Ketika sampai ke air terjun ini sangat bahagia.
Cause you say those things, then shut me out.
Terima kasih semua sudah mampir di channel Dek Rahma. Jangan lupa like, comment,
but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't think right.